This is the Life Grip Rewards program. Just go down and click the green tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. That will pop up and click sign in. That will take you to a page, and then you want to click sign in again. And now you can go back to the home page and shop as you wish. Go ahead and add which products you want to add to your cart. I'm just going to add 1 kilogram of vanilla protein. That's added to cart. Now I can either proceed to checkout or continue shopping. I'm just going to click the green tab again down the bottom, and that's going to show me what I can redeem. You can see that I've got 280 points there, and if I want to redeem all of them straight away, I can just go ahead and click that green button there straight away. Or if I want to change what I'm going to use, I click ways to redeem, and then that shows me all of my different options. I can choose $5, $10, $15, $20, and it goes all the way up to $50. So I'm only going to choose the $5 coupon. I'm only choosing 1 tub of protein. I'm just going to click redeem. And then I'm going to apply code. Just click apply code, and that will then add it to the page in the checkout. Just click out of that and then proceed to checkout. And as you can see there, it's already added the $5 coupon to my order. It's subtracted it from $69.95 down to $64.95.